Hi guys, RK, let's get our math packet out. We're gonna do minute number 6. Looks just like this. Okay, minute 6. It wants to know how many is in this tally mark. How many is that tally mark? Remember how when we do the lines, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 5th one, it goes through it. So how many would be here? 10. Good job. 10. Okay, now look really closely at that word. What is that word? Really closely. 13. 13. Can you write the number 13 down? Good work. Oh no, let's circle the number that is greater. So what does greater mean? Which one of these is greater, 2 or 4? 4, it's bigger. Good job. What about 3 or 5? Which one is greater? 5, yeah. Oh my heavens, it wants us to count backwards. Let's see if we can count backwards together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4. Good work. Let's start at 19 and count down. 19, 18, 17, 16. Oops, that's a funny 15, Miss Dalton. 15, 14, 13. Good job. Okay, let's look at those bananas. 3 bananas plus 1 banana equals 4 bananas. All right. 4 pears plus 2 pears equals 6 pears. Fantastic. All right, let's underline the name of the coin. Now, these coins are really tricky to see. These are really tricky to see because it's all black and white, but normally this one is silver and it's just and it's bigger than a penny. It is called a nickel. This one is a nickel, okay? So we find the word that says nickel. All right, down here, this one is, it's kind of like a copper color, and some people say it's a lighter color brown, but this one is a penny. So give me 1 second. I'm going to grab some fun things to show you. My money jar. Okay, here is a nickel. This is a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Can you guys say nickel? Nickel. Yep, a nickel is worth 5 cents. How much is a nickel worth? 5. 5 cents. And here is the penny. Can you guys say penny? Penny. That's 1. How much is a penny? 1. Good job. What is this one? Nickel. What is this one? Penny. What is this one? Penny. What is this one? Nickel. Good job. You guys are great. Did you know that that's a first grade thing to learn? Whoa. Super. Okay. That was great, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, let's go to minute number 7. Awesome. Minute number 7. Okay, yesterday we talked kind of about a nickel and a penny. Now, if you don't want to do any of the problems that have money on them, you don't have to do the money problems. They're just kind of fun and silly, okay? Because this isn't what we learn in kindergarten. We learn it in a 1st grade, but it's fun. So if you want to kind of learn it, that's great. If not, don't worry about it. But this is a penny and this is a nickel, and that's what we learned about yesterday. And today we're going to, at the bottom, it's going to ask us about a quarter and a dime. A quarter, that's the biggest one right here. See, bigger. It is worth 25 cents. Woo, that's a lot. And this one, the tiny one, is a dime. It is worth 10 cents. Pretty neat, huh? Let's try that. So a penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10, and a quarter is 25. But again, this isn't something you have to know. It's just kind of some fun stuff to add into our math. Just some funs. But let's go to minute number 7. And let's look at it. It wants to know how many tally marks that we have here. How many tally marks do you see? 5, 10, 15, 16. Good job. This is the number, this is the word 18. Can you write an 18? Show me what an 18 looks like. Very good. A 1 and an 8. Fantastic. All right, what about these numbers? I want to know which one is greater. Which one is greater? We're going to circle the number that is greater. 15 or 12? Which one is greater? 15 or 12? 15. What about 31 or 21? Which one is greater? 31 or 21? 31. Good. Okay, we need to write the number that comes before and after 25. Who knows what comes before 25? What's the number that comes before 25? 24. What's the number that comes after 25? 24, 25, 26. Fantastic. What about 32? What comes before 32? 31. What comes after 32? 31, 32, 33. Yay! Good job. Let's add these problems. Look at all those silly worms. We have 5 worms right here, and then 3 more come. How many worms do we have altogether? I had 5 worms and 3 more come. How many do I have altogether? 8. Good. You guys are so awesome. Look at these cute little bugs. There's 7 right here. 7 cute bugs. And one of them is trying to catch up. So 7 plus 1 cute little one. What is the answer to that? 7 plus 1. 8. Remember to write it underneath. Good. Oh, look, here's our money one, our fun, silly money one. Let's look at the top. Do you remember what this one was? It's the biggest one. It's a quarter. Qu, qu, qu. Find the one that has a qu sound. Quarter. And what about the itty bitty teeny tiny one? Dime. Dime. Whoa, you guys sure are amazing. Math time. All right, so let's get out our math packets and we're going to go to minute number 8. Here we go, minute 8. It wants to know how many tally marks. Remember, these are 5s. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20. Can you write the number 20? Good job. Okay, this word is the word 15. Can you write the number 15? 15. Write the number 15. Fantastic. You guys, oh, Miss Dalton's 15 looks a little silly. Look at that. Her 5's funny. Okay, let's look at these numbers right here. 44 and 41. Let's circle the number that is less. Circle the number that is less. That is smaller. Which one is smaller? Less. 44 or 41? 41. Good job. Ooh. I'm going to have to put that down and try again. All right, the next numbers are 50 and 47. Which one is less, 50 or 47? 50 or 47? 47, good job. 47 is less. All right, let's look at the number. Okay, here we go. Look at the first number, 35. Let's circle the number, the greater number. So which one is greater than 35? It wants to know. Okay, so we've got 35 right here, and it wants to know which one is greater. Is 53 greater or is 29 greater? Which one is greater than 35? 53 or 29? Which one is greater than 35? 53. Good job. Okay, 27. What number is greater than 27? 23 or 72? Which number is greater, bigger than 27? Is it 23 or 72? 72. Good. Okay. Now let's do the number line to add. We've got 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. So let's find the number 8. We're going to draw our little line on 8. How many hops do they want us to do? How many hops do they want us to do? 2. So we're going to hop it. 1, 2. What number is it? 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Good job. Okay, now it wants us to do 7 plus 1. So let's find 7. There we go. I put a line for 7. And how many hops are we going to do? 1 hop. 7. 8. Very nice. Okay, here we go. Remember how the money is just for fun? We don't have to do the money if you don't want to. It wants to know how much it is. These are all pennies. Remember how pennies are 1? Well, let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that makes it 7 cents. You do not have to do the money ones. They're just fun. They're just silly. This is a nickel. Do you remember how much a nickel is? A nickel. It's 5 cents. Good job. You guys did fantastic. Math time. Okay, get your math packet out, and we are going to go to minute number 9. Minute number 9. Okay, I'm still trying to find a good way to do this so it's not so shaky. And that I can see. All right, so we've got these blocks. We need to write how many blocks there are. So go ahead and we're going to count the blocks right here, and we're going to put the answers down, okay? So on number 1, how many are right here and how many are right there, okay? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 10. When we're working with these, there's going to be a lot of them that look like this, okay? These are called the 10, like remember how we have 10 frames? Well, these are 10 blocks. So it's a 10 train, okay? A 10 train. So 10 train equals 10. Well, what if I had 3 10 trains? How many would that be? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. That would be 30. And these are 1 blocks. This is a 10 train, and these are 1s. How many 1s are right here? How many 1s are here? 2. Good. And 4. You guys are fantastic. All right, let's look down here at number 3. We need to figure out which one is greater or less. And we're going to use a sign that looks like this. It's an alligator sign, okay? The alligator always eats the bigger number, okay? So what do you think the alligator is going to eat, the 2 or the 3? The 3. So we make it our greater than sign. Our greater than. 3 is greater than 2. Look at here. Where's it going to go? Is it going to go towards the bananas or the pears? What is it going to go for? Bananas or pears? Pears. Yeah, there are more pears. So bananas are less than pears. Bananas are less than pears. Good. All right, let's look at our number line again. We're going to do 4 plus 4. So we have to find our first number. What's our first number? 4. So find it on the number line. Draw a line just like that. And how many jumps are we going to make? We're going to make 4 jumps. So start at 4 and we're going to jump it. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did you land on? 8. Yes, good job. All right, let's do the next one. 5. We need to start on 5. Ooh, I'm going to make that a little extra big. Okay, there we go. There's my 5. And how many hops are we going to make? 5. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did we land on? 10. Good. You guys are fantastic. Okay, we are going to count by 2s, and we're going to write the number. Here we go. 2, 4. That one was easy. Okay, let's do the next one. We're going to count by 2s, and we're going to write the number. 2, 4, 6, 8. Can you write that down? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 mittens. 2, 4. 4 feet. Awesome. Remember how the money is just for fun? You do not have to do the money one, but you can if you would like to. This is a nickel. A nickel is worth 5. And these are pennies. They're worth 1. How much money is that all together? 5, 6, 7. 7 cents. Good. All right. And I think yep, that one's a dime. That is a dime. Do you remember how much a dime is worth? 10 cents. Good job. Super. You guys are amazing. Good work. Math time. All right, get your math packet out. We're going to go to minute number 10. Remember how these are 10 trains. Let's count how many by tens, how many there are. 10, 20, 30, 40. There are 40. Good job. How many ones are there? 5. Wow, you guys are really good at this. Okay, there's a lot here. Okay, can you count them? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good job, 60 of them. And how many ones are there? 1. Good. Okay, let's look at the tallies and the blocks and figure out how many they are and which one is greater or less than. So if we're counting by fives, 5, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. So which one's bigger, 10 or 13? 13. So we're going to draw our alligator towards 13. All right, let's look at the numbers. 43 and 34. Which number's bigger, 43 or 34? 43. Okay, can you do the number line for adding 7 plus 0 and 5 plus 4? Let's start with 7 plus 0. What number do we start on? 7, because it's our top number. Okay. How many hops are we going to do? 0. So what's our answer? 7. Good job. That one was kind of easy peasy lemon squeezy. The next one we're going to start on the number 5. And we're going to do how many hops? 4. Okay. Go ahead and do your hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did you land on? 9. Good work. Okay, let's count by fives. Here we go. 5 hands. 5, 10. Can you write those numbers down? 5, 10. Good. Ooh, let's count these ones. 5,